Now, if we have finished, oh yes, please come, please come. So your body language was nice. You were very comfortable. You were very comfortable. This is what I say: is it should come from the heart. You should connect with people. You should give an impression you genuinely want to express yourself, and that's the best. Of course, other things are that you should not move, you should not put your hands here, or you should not put your hands at the back, or like this. Those are simple things which we can immediately control. But the important thing is, it should appear that it is coming from the heart. Good. Yes.
Hi friends.
Hi.
My job is to organize and conduct 1 year training program for a batch of around 150 to 200 freshly recruited graduate engineers before deploying them on the regular job. Now the question arises, these people are already graduate engineers, then why 1 year training? So here I would like to mention that my company NPCL is using very sophisticated technology, and the know-how about the knowledge imparted during the graduation time or in the college is very, very minimal. And since the safety of nuclear power plant is of very utmost, has very high, very high demand. So before deploying them on a very sophisticated technology, it is the management has decided that they are put through the regular training. So conducting this 1 year training program, the first and foremost job is to prepare the program schedule, prepare the training schedule, hire the training venue, arrangement for the various logistics are required. It is a 1 year program, so you have to chalk out the program in such a way that who is going to deliver which. There are a number of courses. You will be surprised that during the entire 1 year course we are conducting around 35 to 40 exams, descriptive type of exams. And then the batch size is so huge, 150 to 200 people. So you have to throughout the year you have to just be at the tap. Always the one person, and you know that one faculty cannot regularly give lecture. So one faculty is coming, the other is waiting, and you have to take care of everything, like right from the transportation till the course material and all the training schedule related. So this is what we are doing it, and then at the end of the year, after conducting the final assessment and collating the marks of the whole year, we are preparing the merit list, and based on the merit, we are deploying to them at the identified, posted at various plants of NPCL.
Good. Give him a big hand. See, he has also simply stated a procedure which is quite complicated, no? Training the engineers and giving value, and for 1 long year, preparing everything is quite, yes, it's quite a task. It's nice that he has explained to us. Now we'll have group discussions. What they call on television is not a debate. Actually, it's a discussion. Whether it is doing Arnav or any other person, these are discussions. So he invites number of people, then he moderates. Of course, when Arnav is there, he only speaks. So, but that's not a good discussion. So we will have good discussions. We are now 15, 1 person. So what we will do? No, he had a very important thing. In fact, his grandfather or father, whose birthday was there. So for celebration, he said, I said, yes, give our greetings also by all. So if that is in the importance, we must. Okay, I have taken 4 subjects. Subject number 1, global warming, which is very important. Subject number 2, national character. Subject number 3, terrorism. Subject number 4, education system. Now these are the 4 subjects.
Sir, what is second?
Second is national character.
National character. So these are the 4 subjects, and we will have discussions. So 4 persons in each discussion. I will be the moderator. I will not act like Arnab Goswami, but I will really try to do my best.
Let Amit be Arnab Goswami.
So if you can organize, if you can organize, Amit, 5 chairs, 2 this side, 2 that side, and 1 in the center. So how we will, of course I will moderate and I'll tell you, but I can tell you right now until they are making arrangement, that only 1 person should speak at a time. 1 person should speak at a time. Of course, I'll keep on. And then the point which is the same, which I had told you, the point which has been covered by 1 person should not be repeated. 3, we should not take it as a personal prestige or argument. No. You see, we should not say, "Nee, this is better." We should express our point so that let the audience decide, let the viewers decide. So the objective should be to lay bare all the different facets. Again, remember the photographer. So who lay bares from, he throws light from different angles to make you understand what the objective is. Okay? So how much time? First you have to divide 4 teams.
Only 4.
Okay.
Divide.
This is the team. You want to have a different team, then we can 1, 2, 3, 4 again. That's a simple procedure. I think you should change the team.
I think we'll change on it.
You should change. So say
7,
1,
1, 2,
3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Change your seats.
4's come here, please. 4.
1.
Please fast. You
Terrorism.
terrorism, very good.
Global warming.
Global warming.
Yeah.
Yes, and the last one is
Last left is
national character.
national character.
So you are left with national character. Good, good, good. But I think it's a good distribution. So how much time to prepare? 5 minutes. Okay.
We have preparation.
According to
It is not a debate.
lack of education.
It's not a debate.
Your
Anything
fault.
you.
Lack of
You said it's
education.
lack of education is the root.
No, I mean, I said it's a discussion. It's a discussion. We had a debate. It's a discussion.
So preparation is 5 minutes and then we'll discuss.
But when we go to the when we go to the outside, international, we should be one. As Japanese, they are competitors, but when they go out, they become together. As I think, helping the spirit of now we are thinking. This is also national character that we are choosing the subjects which are related to the nation building. Any activity which is nation building, which you are not selfish about, that is national. Building that is national character. Could I make myself? I think with this background now you can.
So if you see mostly word of the means, okay, to find
greenhouse gas is being
So
gas is greenhouse gas.
So today nuclear power is better.
Any power, it has to be mixed. It should completely depend on one power.
It is not enough.
Which is actually doing more.
it can be various reasons.
Intolerance is also.
And the people are not that much, they are not like that much, what you can say, the people negligence is also playing a major role to
That is-
encourage the.
that is lack of education, no?
Yeah, because in city also, like in Mumbai city also, people are not that much, because each and everywhere if you observe ki, in train, in buses, it's mentioned ki please here and there, here and there. It means we are not that much aware. Like, simple example, when the 26th level attack has happened, that time, why it happened? Because we are not that much aware of that. Because अपना जो road है, that is the open, that security is not available. And in that open road, कोई भी
It is better, it is not like patriotisms are the one should be patriotism against anti-corruption, one should not promote corruption in any government bureaucracy office. Or election system. Yeah, our election system. One should always promote the election and one should have
हमें एक बोतल पानी दिया है इसमें तो वो पेस्टिसाइड डालते हैं
Plastic bags.
it can't dissolve. Take it is on there, it is stayed on your outside. There are biodegradable items. Which is another thing is not biologically like खाने की कुछ आइटम और ये मॉडल में फिर से मिक्स हो जाएगा प्लास्टिक का कुछ प्लास्टिक रैप or we can we say that very delayed and
delayed also, because that time when we are,
Denied.
because when we are finalized to hang him, that time human right against us, this is against the human right. You can't hang the person. If it is a criminal, then also he is after all human. That is the
If you see
fatality.
in Afghanistan, all these Talibans, right from birth, they are religious.
2 more minutes, please.
And all this. This is one of the typical causes. One specific region in the world is totally saying that I will.
To introduce today's topic for the team 1. Firstly, let me introduce on my right, I have Mr. Venkatesh. Give him a big hand. Miss Kanchan Chavan. Give her a big hand. Here we have Neil, a young boy who has also agreed to participate in our discussion. Give him a big hand. And finally, Mr. K.N. Joshi. So they are all come prepared. I am sure after you listen to them what they say, you will be much wiser on the subject that we are discussing. Now first I ask Mr. Venkatesh to brief you about the subject. Mr. Venkatesh.
Yeah, thank you, sir. So the topic for us today is terrorism, and the past 10 minutes what we have spent with the team, we were discussing about how terrorism, what are the root causes of terrorism, and how it can be eradicated. So I would divide terrorism into two parts. One is the global terrorism, and specifically in our specifically for our country, it's India specific terrorism. What is the root cause of terrorism? The root cause of terrorism is intolerance, lack of education, and possibly I feel these two factors really impact, or what I would say is, if you see most of the terrorist organizations across the globe today, the reason why all these terrorist organizations mushroomed is because they have either a religious intolerance, or they have intolerance or hatred towards a country, or it quite happens that because of the poverty, the level of poverty levels have shot up so much that they're not able to, cope up with that, and they go into the mainstream of terrorism. I feel those are the main causes. Coming to the effects, I'll come to what are the remedies, what would be the,
I think, Mr. Venkatesh, I am sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
Let us first round, each one of us, say something.
Yeah.
And then, of course,
Sure.
I'll come back to you.
Sure. So that's
Yes.
what I had to say about, the root causes of terrorism.
Yes, causes of terrorism. Yes. Yes, now Miss Kanchan, she has also worked out and she'll give her views. Yes, Miss Kanchan.
Thank you, sir. I'm very much agree with Mr. Venkatesh. Like we discussed, कि the main root causes of the terrorism is a lack of education, inequality, and as the sir suggested me, the rational fantasism and the religious, like people are more religious, like they are having a hatred for the one particular religion, and they think like their religion is the superior, and they want like their religion to be spread to the all over world, and for that they are like convincing the people in a wrong way, in a wrong manner, and by giving the greed of some money, some other things, and convert into the jihadi and all, and this way they are like mushrooming the terrorism in all over the world.
Thank you, Kanchan. Now, see, Kanchan has given a view about the religious terrorism, religion motive terrorism. Yes, Mr. Joshi.
Yeah, thank you, sir. I am in full agreement with my friends that the basic root cause of terrorism is lack of education. But apart from lack of education and inequality, I also strongly believe that the